the heroes of Manipal Cigna Health Insurance, champions of resilience and dedication. Every day, you bring expertise, compassion and commitment, raising the bar for excellence and embody the spirit of success. Manipal Cigna Health Insurance salutes its heroes in a country that mirrors our values of unity, strength and independence, Switzerland. Just as Switzerland proudly stands tall, you overcome every challenge, proving that no peak is too high. Your precision mirrors the craftsmanship of Swiss timepieces. Every interaction, every plan, every promise from Manipal Cigna Health Insurance heroes is crafted with integrity. Your achievements stand as inspiring as the Swiss Alps, steadfast and reaching ever higher. Like Switzerland, you blend tradition with vision, meeting the evolving needs of those we serve. Today, Manipal Cigna Health Insurance's heroes gather in unity, celebrating each milestone and clients served with pride, joy and togetherness. Let this celebration inspire you to aim even higher. The next destination awaits Kashmir's serene valleys and Masai Mara's untamed beauty. Thank you, Manipal Cigna Health Insurance heroes, for your determination, for your dedication and for your perseverance. Here's to new heights and a continued legacy of care.